In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Fetch AI on Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to binance.com and you will gonna need to log in first. Then once you have logged in, go to your wallet here and click Fiat and Spot. So make sure that you have a BUSD in your Spot wallet, and if you don't have one, you can either buy or deposit BUSD. Now, once you have BUSD in your Fiat and Spot, you can now go to markets here and click search coin name, or on the search bar here, type down FET and click trade. Scroll down and you can choose limit, market, or stop limit here, but we're going to use market here. And then now we can type the amount of BUSD you want, but make sure that it is above 10 BUSD or else it will not work, or you will not be able to buy Fetch AI. Now, for example, I want to buy Fetch AI for 11 BUSD, so I will just type down 11 here and then click buy FET. And then once you have bought FET, go to your wallet, click Fiat and Spot, and now you can see here the total amount of Fetch AI that you have. And if you have any questions about how to buy Fetch AI on Binance, leave a comment below.